section makes your data visualizations animated and interactive. First topic, drawing animated graphs. We begin with importing some modules. These two, NumPy and Matplotlib PyPlot, you are already familiar. This is something new which we are importing. This is the animation subplot, and we are importing the function animation class from there. Run this code, the modules are imported. Okay. Now we start the actual code for the drawing of the animated graph. Since this is a Jupyter notebook, we are going to use a magic command called Matplotlib notebook to start the animation right here in the notebook. Matplotlib inline is not going to work for this, hence we are not using it. We set up our figure and axis, and we call the subplots to draw us a plot of size this. We set the limits, we get some data, and finally we call the plot, which is a line plot. Now this is where the animation is happening. We call the animate function, and we set the y data. And finally we call the function animation class, create a anim object from there, and we pass in our plot details, the figure details, and the animate function in there. Finally, we call the draw method and the show method to draw and show the plot right here in the notebook. Let's run this to see how it will work. Okay, so we have a continuously animated line plot shown over here. And if you also notice, when you move your cursor anywhere on the plot area, it will show the x-axis and the y-axis for that particular point. There are some controls which are supplied by default, for example, save, zoom, and so forth. You can also use this button to stop the interaction, for example, because it takes a lot of resources.